Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to check out your Amazon seller ID. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started. So in the upper right corner, we can get started with signing up for an account if you do not already have an Amazon seller account. If you have one, just log in normally. So go ahead and log into your account, and once you have logged in, now we can get started. You'll be greeted by this dashboard right here that looks something like this, from where we can go ahead and enter in our catalog. We can manage our inventory, orders, store settings, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here. And now we can get started setting and checking our Amazon seller ID. So as you can see right here in the official Seller Central, there is a thread of somebody asking how to check out their Amazon seller ID. And what we're going to do is follow this answer right here. So basically, we're going to open up the settings that you can find right here in the upper right corner. You can click on the settings button. By clicking the settings for your account, it's going to enable us to click on our account info. Once you have opened up settings, open up account info, and from there, you're going to go and see a section that says merchant token number. And that is your seller ID. So you want to go ahead and open up the merchant token number that you'll be able to find in your account settings and account info, and that is the ID that you can use for sending people, using it for whatever you need, and so on, and you can use it from there. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.